Another fine vehicle offered by Beverly Hills BMW. This is a 2008 BMW 328, a great fit and finish. Among the many superb features on this BMW there are a power sunroof, power windows, dual airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this automobile has rear-wheel drive. The refined 6-cylinder engine, connected to a fluid transmission, engages with velvety smoothness. This car won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now. Beverly Hills BMW is located at 8825 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or work.